Okay, so this morning I'm going to show you how to use the laminar flow hood, which is also called the safety cabinet. This is our tissue culture hood. And so the first thing that you need to do is you take your media and warm it up at the 37-degree bath before you start. And then you come over here to this switch and you turn the blower on, like so, by flipping it upward. And then you turn the germicidal lamp on and you let it run for about 15 minutes. Okay? Now, when 15 minutes are up, you come back and you leave the blower on, but you switch the germicidal to the fluorescent lamp, like so. And then you're going to prepare the hood, and I usually do it this way. You take a stack of paper towels, take a bottle of 70% ethanol, and you moisten the stack of paper towels like so. And then you begin by wiping down the face of the hood. And you're going to do this every time before you start using it, even after somebody uses it. You go through the same sequence of events. And then you wipe down the top where you're going to be working. And then you wipe down the edge where your arms are going to be. The next thing you do is after 15 minutes, your media are warmed up to 37 degrees. So you take your water, your media bottle, and you wipe them down just like you did the hood with 70% ethanol, like so. Sometimes you may have to re-moisten the paper towel, wipe it down. And then you put it in the hood. Now remember, you have created a sterile environment within which you're going to do your work. Nothing you put in here should be open on the outside, because once you open something on the outside of the sterile environment, it's not sterile anymore. And so you sit down and you go through the same aseptic technique that we demonstrate on the bench top. Now, before you open it, any bottle, it has to be flamed. Before you use any serological pipette, it should be flamed, just like we did with the aseptic technique. And this is the flame that you use, Bunsen burner. Get it started. Now, as you see, all of these have been autoclaved. Okay? But it doesn't matter. Autoclave pipettes are assumed not to be sterile. So to get one of these serological pipettes, you simply work it out right here that the only pipette you touch is the one that you're going to use. And then you position the flame in front of you and you draw the pipette through one side, turn it over, draw it through the other side, like so. And then I usually set it in the rack to cool off before I use. Same thing with the pasture pipette. You're going to use this for suctioning. And so you work it out, just like we did before, so that the only pipette you touch is the one you're going to use. Position it in the flame, draw it, turn it over, draw it again, and then you let it cool off, just like that. Okay? So that is how you use the hood. Thank you.